I'm going to be showing you how to save battery life on the new iPhone 17 Pro, which we have right here.
It's pretty easy to do, so without further ado, I've got like 5 different ways, so stick with me. But all you want to do is you first swipe down from the top right hand corner, and you simply just want to lower down your screen brightness. Now, the lower your screen brightness, the less power it uses, so I recommend just keeping it on 0, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it up. But if you're trying to save power, I recommend lowering that. And the second way is to actually just turn off your Wi-Fi and AirDrop, because if you turn off your Wi-Fi and AirDrop, it will save a lot less power, because constantly when Wi-Fi and AirDrop are on, it is always searching for someone or some network to actually join. And the same goes for cellular. If you actually turn off cellular data, it will actually not look for networks, meaning cell towers in the area, and save a lot of your battery just by turning those settings off simply like so. The third way to save battery life on your phone is you just go into settings and you want to scroll down and find the option that is called display and brightness. You click on that. We actually just want to enable dark mode, because using light mode requires a lot more processing power when it comes to actually making graphics on your phone. So I just recommend using dark mode, and it's a lot more pleasing on your eyes from my experience as well. And the next way to actually save battery power is you just want to go over to your home screen, and you actually just want to go over to the settings and just click on the option that is called battery. Scroll down here, and when you see battery, I don't see it yet, but you click on battery, and you actually just want to click on the low power mode. Now this saves battery and will basically make the background less visually appealing and drop a lot of the colors on your phone, and a lot of the processing power. It will take longer for stuff to load, and games might be slower, but this will save a lot of power overall. And the final way is to actually just turn on airplane mode, because airplane mode, your phone is not trying to find any networks or anything. It can't do anything with connection. Just using Wi-Fi in general requires a lot of power and things like that, processing power. So yeah, just enable airplane mode and you'll save a lot of battery life.